Hello guys, welcome to another video. So this is test route episode number 2 for Sheffield Handsworth. So let's see how it goes and see what we can pick out on this route.
After 50 yards, turn left or Agreeve way. Turn left or Agreeve way, then, at the end of the road, turn right, B60 to 100, Retford Road. Turn right, B60 to 100, Retford Road. After 300 yards, turn right, B6066, Rotherham Road. Turn right, B6066, Rotherham Road. After 300 yards, go left on the roundabout, first exit, B6066, Highfield Spring. Go left on the roundabout, first exit, B6066, Highfield Spring. After 400 yards, cross the roundabout, second exit, B6066, Highfield Spring.
So at the roundabout ahead, your left lane is for the first exit left only. So remember this and get yourself into the appropriate lane in good time. So second exit
Cross
is
the
going to be your right lane.
Roundabout, second exit, B6066, Highfield Spring. After 300 yards, go right on the roundabout, 3rd exit, B6066, Highfield Spring. Go right on the roundabout, 3rd exit, B6066, Highfield Spring. After 200 yards, go left on the roundabout, 1st exit. Go left on the roundabout, 1st exit. After 200 yards, go left on the roundabout, 1st exit, A630, towards Sheffield Centre. After 0.9 miles, take the exit, B60-200, towards Handsworth.
Your sat nav right now is showing 60 miles an hour, but that temporary sign there says 50. So that's what you need to be following, and that's what you should be sticking to. Bear this in mind. So look out for your road signs and don't ignore them. Don't miss them.
After 800 yards, take the exit, B60-200, towards Handsworth. Then, go left on the roundabout, 1st exit, towards Woodhouse. Take the exit, B60-200, towards Handsworth. Then, go left on the roundabout. After 200 yards, go left on the roundabout, 1st exit, B60-200, towards Woodhouse, then, turn right, Richmond Park Road. After 200 yards, turn right, Richmond Park Road. Turn right, Richmond Park Road. After 200 yards, turn right, B6065, Richmond Road. Turn right, B6065, Richmond Road. After 300 yards, turn right, Richmond Hall Road, then, turn right, Spink Hill Road. Turn right, Richmond Hall Road, then, turn right, Spink Hill Road.
And this is one of the reasons why I always emphasize how important it is to make sure you're picking up the road signs. Now, as we go into this road, the sat-nav shows 30 miles per hour speed limit, but the road is actually 20 miles per hour. So bear this in mind and make sure you're not concentrating or relying on the sat-nav speed limit, or you're relying on the vehicle's speed recognition cameras on the dashboard.
After 200 yards, turn right, Spink Hill Road, then, at the end of the road, turn left, Richmond Hall Avenue. Turn right, Spink Hill Road, then, at the end of the road, turn left, Richmond Hall Avenue. Turn left, Richmond Hall Avenue, then, at the end of the road, turn left, Spink Hill Drive. Turn left, Spink Hill Drive, then, at the end of the road, turn right, Spink Hill Avenue. At the end of the road, turn right, then, at the end of the road, turn left. Turn right, Spink Hill Avenue, then, at the end of the road, turn left, Hazardous Road South. At the end of the road, turn left, Hazardous Road South.
And as you would see again, the sat-nav is still showing 30 miles per hour, but the road sign says 20. So which means the speed on this road still remains 20. So please, please, please look out for the road signs and don't just depend on the sat-nav or the cars.
Turn left, Hazardous Road South.
And finally on this road, the sat-nav is correct with the speed limit for this road.
After 200 yards, turn left, Woodthora Road. Turn left, Woodthora Road.
And yet again the sat-nav is wrong again.
At the end of the road, turn right, B6065, Richmond Road, then, sharp left, B6064, Normanton Hill. Turn right, B6065, Richmond Road, then, sharp left, B6064, Normanton Hill. After 300 yards, sharp left, B6064, Normanton Hill. Sharp left, B6064, Normanton Hill. After 300 yards, cross the roundabout, second exit, B6064, Coisley Hill. Cross the roundabout, second exit, B6064, Coisley Hill. After 300 yards, turn left, B6066, Viva Hill Road. Turn left, B6066, Viva Hill Road. At the end of the road, turn right, B60-200, Retford Road, then, you have reached your destination. turn right, B60 to 100, Retford Road, then you have reached your destination.
So we're turning onto Retford Road now, which is coming to the end of the test. And one thing you need to realize from this video is the inconsistency or the inaccuracy of the speed limit for the road on the sat-nav. And this is one reason why you do not want to rely solely on your sat-nav for your speed limit on the road. Look out for the road signs, look out for the speed signs, and this is the most accurate information system that you've got, and not your sat-nav, because your sat-nav can be wrong, especially if it's not been updated or if it's not up to date. Now this is actually up to date because it's a subscription based TomTom that I'm using, not the typical sat-nav. So if it was a sat-nav or the standalone sat-nav, I would have actually thought maybe I needed to update my system, but this is actually on my phone and it's constantly being updated. So if it's this inaccurate, then I worry about how bad it would be if you were actually driving with the standalone sat-nav in your car and then you get a ticket or you get speeding fine. So bear this in mind. So that will be the end, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care and be safe on the road.